a stream, snapping his jaws with a shiny gleam. E is for bear, eating berries and cream, soft and furry like a dream.
B is for camel, walking in the sand, the bumpy humps and the way they had. D is for dolphin, splashing in the sea, doing cool flips so happily.
E is for elephant, big and grand, spraying water with his trunk so grand. F is for flamingo, dancing on one leg, wearing a crown so proud to peg. G is for giraffe, so tall and bright, reaching for leaves with all his might. H is for hippo, big and round, splashing in the mud with a giggling sound.
I is for ibex, climbing up high, over the rocks, reaching the sky. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace, glowing like stars in a water space.